guys, look at Mrs. Johnson while she was still Mrs. Johnson. Look at Mrs. Johnson while she was still Mercy. Okay, guys, it had been trending that Mrs. Johnson did surgery. Some say it's hungry. It's not hunger. Some say she's sick. Right now, one pastor, my people, as we don dey hear one pastor don come out come talk say that Mrs. Johnson is in serious pain. Mrs. Johnson need prayers. Mrs. Johnson need people that will pray for her. Mrs. Johnson is in pain. And Mrs. Johnson used to cry while she go to bed. Hey, my people, I no know. Say all this thing wey you see dey happen to Mrs. Johnson, that she is sick and she needs prayers, that she have been rushed to the hospital for treatment. And wetin Mrs. Johnson dey cry as she go to bed, according to the pastor, be say may God help her. She go dey call her children name one by one. Dey ask God, am I going to leave these children? And they go. My people, go where? Where is she going to? She no dey go anywhere o. But the thing wey dey ask na if she dey say she dey touch her children one by one. Maybe in the night when dem go dey sleep, go dey touch her children, dey ask God, what is happening to me? She go dey cry. And some people go tell you say the husband wey we think say he dey take care of the wife, na happy marriage wey dem dey, na beautiful family. Me sef, I used to use them as example sometimes. Dey tell some celebrities, make una dey use una marriage, make una dey live like Mercy. Dey talk say now I dey hear say the husband dey maltreat her. But make I ask question o. Na question I ask. Her husband no maltreat her all this while wey she been dey for her marriage? Because people talk say the marriage don scatter. That Mrs. Johnson's marriage don scatter. And I was like, wetin happen? Wetin scatter am? The Mrs. Johnson we know have a lovely family that people admire. Is it because of this her condition now, say she don slim down? This thing now, e fit be say she intentionally did this thing just because she want to do advert. You know say this celebrity, they can go extra mile o. She decided to use her body tell people say our product dey work. But make I just show una wetin pastor talk o. I no know which pastor for church wey dey pastor, but him talk say na one of God wey him be, and na God come open to am, na God reveal to him say Mrs. Johnson need help and prayers. Say Mrs. Johnson dey God heart, abi God dey her heart. Say Mrs. Johnson she was called to sing song to God. Na be the thing wey dey happen to her now. Say she never answer that call. Let me just leave you to watch the video yourself.
So we have to keep praying for Mrs. Johnson because the Lord is with her. She is going through pains we don't know about. So the Lord said, let us pray that every attack of the enemies for she to be rushed to the hospital, that God should cancel it in her life.
Don't forget, we still have a Miss Magic team. Hi, team.
So we have to keep praying for Mrs. Johnson because the Lord is with her. She is going through pains we don't know about. So the Lord said, let us pray that every attack of the enemies for she to be rushed to the hospital, that God should cancel it in her life because she still have a long life to live. So let us pray for Mercy Johnson, Mrs. Mercy Johnson. Let us pray for her because the Lord is with her. There are some challenges she is going through, which I don't know right now, but the Lord is showing me how she's going through some challenges. In her lonely moment, she cries. In her lonely moment, she's weeping. In her lonely moment, she touches her kids and asks the Lord, Lord, I hope I'm not going before these kids. But the Lord is saying, let her know I am interested in healing Mercy Johnson. And the Lord said, tell Mercy Johnson to come back to the altar and give me my song. She is called to be a musician in the Christendom. So that is what the Lord is talking about. So thank you, mighty Father.
Guys, this is what Mr. Johnson said. That everything what you do, people go talk, and na dem get their mouth. But this man wey dey talk say Mr. Johnson was taken to the hospital that Mr. Johnson need prayers. Is he sure? Who told him? He said God said. You know say sometimes some people too dey lie with God God name. I no dey talk say him dey lie o. I no know. I don just know, but that Mr. Johnson sling e don dey too much. You see, it's now too much. I'm not saying that the man is lying or not. I no dey talk like that. But the thing be say, if Mr. Johnson dey pass through a lot in her family right now, what is the solution? Is the solution, is it the kind thing wey she dey pass through go make her come slim down like this, like tinini like this? I don't think na that na the solution, the thing wey she dey pass through e go make her, if not for that her slimty, e go be one sickness. But the man don talk say she dey cry for inside when she's alone, but she go come out come dey show us say everything dey okay, she's happy. Na her product na im dey work on her, e dey work. We sold out that they don finish everything they get. My people, e be like say she just slim down to make advert o. I don talk am before. I no know. This woman, they can be all these celebrities, they can be funny, they can be serious, they can be anything at all. I no dey talk for her o. I no dey put mouth for her matter. What I know is that the too much and half slim don no fit her again. She dey okay while she was before. You see this her picture with her husband, so she dey okay like this, and I like her like this. This one when she come be like Ebony Delego. If na the thing wey she want, na she want am, no be me want am for am. And person wey get money go chop im money the way im want to chop the money. No be you go come tell am say, oh yeah, use am do this one, use am no do this one. Anyway, guys, let me not make this video to be too long. What I know is that the pastor said that Mercy Johnson was taken to the hospital, and which kind wahala be that one? If it is true, what is the husband saying in all of this thing? I don't know. The husband, what is he saying in all of the thing when they happen so? Because I know say Mrs. Johnson is not alone in that marriage. The husband dey there, they see wetin dey happen. The man never come out to tell us say see wetin dey happen o. Although he may not know, but he's supposed to know. Anyway, guys, I don't just know. So it's because of this her slimty abi change in stature that make this Queenette to start saying wetin she dey tell, and wetin they call am, Angela Okorie. You know say that girl bin dey look for Mercy Johnson trouble. Look at what she wrote. Blood sucking demon no see blood suck again. E say na slimming tea. Except there is no God. MG go and beg people. You chop their destinies and destroy their homes. Else no peace for the wicked. Gospel songs won't save you. Your heart is dark. You see, na because of that pastor wey talk say na gospel song wey she suppose to dey sing for God, na she go make she come start am so that she go dey free. That is why these persons have hearts come try this kind thing. Enemies of progress. Na that Angela Okorie, na she know where she started with Mercy Johnson. Make she go solve their problem. Make she go solve problem with Mercy Johnson. For her to come and write this post now, this kind nonsense now, it's not good at all at all. Anyway, Mercy, na you sabi. If you think say it's good that you slim down more until you become bone, na you sabi. What I know is that you are eating your money. The product wey you dey use na money you take buy am, you no pick am for road. Anybody can say anything they want to say because na you cause am, na you dey. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share this video, okay? Give it a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.